Hi you guys, it is your favorite pretty girl peeps, and I'm here to do a quick video on how to be low maintenance to be high maintenance. So pretty much how to define your own brand of luxury, not my brand, but your own brand of luxury within a budget. So this video hopefully won't take too long. I divided it into categories, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to talk about is hair. So with hair, there are quite a few ways to be low maintenance to be high maintenance. So pretty much when I say low maintenance to be high maintenance, that's doing the little things or the smaller things ahead of time or behind the scenes so that it looks like you got your ish together later on down the line. So with hair, a big thing is just maintaining your hair, having some type of hairstyle done, keeping your hair up, keeping some type of hair routine, whether that's at home or going to the salon. So for instance, right now I have in clip-ins, and these cost me about $190 with my discount through Go Sleek Hair, which is PGP 15, shameless plug. Another thing is getting protective, long-lasting styles, because then you don't have to do your hair every day and your hair is going to last a while. So styles like quick weaves, styles like sew-ins, styles like braids, styles that are going to last for a little bit of time. And if you don't like doing your own hair or doing clip-ins, things like that is a little bit too much for you, then you definitely need to invest in a good stylist, a good hairstylist who knows your hair, who maintains healthy hair, not just can do hair, but actually cares about your hair and actually maintains hair. Super duper important. Satin rollers so that you can maintain the integrity of your curls when you come home or when you do it yourself. So that makes it really easy to sleep on it at night. Speaking of sleeping at night, making sure you got you some satin pillowcases. That is one of those little things that makes things stretch and makes that hairstyle stretch for you. Because again, we're not trying to spend a lot of money to live this luxurious lifestyle, but we want to make sure it's lasting, which should also take me back to the quick weaves and the sew-ins. Getting you some, if you can't afford bundles from one of these Hollywood Girls or anything like that, going to the beauty supply, getting you some Pink Lemon, getting you some Remy Velvet, some Indie Remy, getting you some higher end beauty supply hair. And instead of just getting 2 bundles, make sure you get 3. That's going to give you that fuller, voluptuous look, which is also going to make your hair look good and last longer on a budget. Making sure you have go-to styles. Like for instance, with me, if I know I'm not going to have my hair done, especially because I'm a commuter, I typically like to just go ahead and put some clip-ins in. I know ponytails don't always, that's kind of a struggle for me, but if ponytails are your thing, perfect that ponytail. Hopefully I'm making sense with that. And then going back to at-home styling, investing in your at-home styling. So making sure you got a good quality blow dryer. The Revlon blow dryer is chef's kiss. I'll put an Amazon link for that below. Getting you some quality flat irons like the Baby Bliss or the Bee Bliss, getting you some of those, getting you some quality curling irons, and you don't have to break the bank for that. Ulta often has them on sale, or it has it to where you can use coupons to do so. So definitely take a look in investing into that potentially. Also going to Marshalls, TJ Maxx, places like that, investing in good products like the It's a 10, the Bio Silk. That will definitely help you maintain your hair, because I feel like people look at your hair, it frames your face. It's one of those easy things to kind of keep life moving. So we're going to move along. So the next thing is nails. So with nails, investing in a good cuticle oil, investing in some good hand lotion so that your hands look good, because I don't shake hands anymore because of COVID, but you may shake hands and you may be typing. People often look at your hands, and it's one of the quickest ways that people can perceive you as well. So also another thing, if you can't afford to go get your nails done, get you some press-ons. That's what I have on right now. I love the Kiss brand. I feel like those never really let me down, but you definitely can go on Amazon. You can ask the girl who does your nails if she happens to do press-ons on the side to make a little cash, because a lot of them do. You just got to make sure you ask. Also, if you're going to get salon services, a little tip is to get neutral colors or colors that match your actual base of your nail. That's going to let them last longer, and they just look really cute. Getting styles that are classic like almond or square shape, and you know, small, what is it, short to medium length, and something that's super easy to maintain on your own if you need to. And then another tip, especially for the girlies who love pedicures, is to get a shellac pedicure. It's going to cost slightly more, but it's going to last so much longer, which is going to save you money in the long run. Another thing is your health. This is so key and something I feel like the girlies sleep on. But physical fitness, making sure you get at least 30 minutes of working out or some type of physical activity for at least twice 30 minutes a week. You can get ClassPass if you can't afford to go to the gym, or is it called LastPass? Signing up for that so you can take multiple classes. Pilates is so hot for the luxury girlies, and I love Pilates. I love Club Pilates, but it's super expensive. So what I did was I invested in a Pilates bar, and I invested in a Pilates bar, and I'll tag that below for Amazon. And or you could just go to my Amazon store, it's in there. And I do Pilates at home. And if you like the step aerobics classes, different classes like that, you could definitely look up like Hip Hop Tabata, do the YouTube workouts, or you could just go on TikTok and there's like a lot of different workouts you can do. Another big thing is supplements and vitamins. What are you putting into your body? So of course you need a good multivitamin, vitamin D, you need some zinc in your life. If you got a lot of stress, ashwagandha, I think that's how you say it. But just making sure you're getting vitamins, because most of us don't eat the required amount of fruits and veggies that we need to. And then just talking about your body, your diet, watching what you eat, watching what you put into your body, because that's going to help you look better too. If you eat good, you feel good, right? Glasses. So not necessarily talking about these kind of glasses, because these are shades. I'm going to get to those when I talk about the fashion part. But if you have to wear glasses, investing in some really good pairs of glasses that are going to last you for a while. So you're not buying multiple pairs, you're buying one good quality pair. And then of course another thing is skincare and makeup. That's the next topic that I'm going to talk about. So with skincare and makeup, of course facials are going to make your face look good. Skincare is the foundation of everything. That's the foundation of like just being able to go out the house without makeup, and it's the foundation for being able to wear makeup and for it to actually look really good on you, right? So if you can't afford facials, because those can get expensive, what you can do is some good at-home skincare. Some good skincare brands are Clinique, Neutrogena, Garnier, Drunk Elephant, Charlotte Tilbury. Just looking into the different brands and figuring out what works best for your skin, and just maintaining it at home yourself. I know it gets hard. You can't do skincare every single night. I'll give you a really good serum, but get you a good serum, put it on your face at night, see how your face feels when you wake up. Put a moisturizer on your skin every day. Put SPF sunscreen. Yes, even if you're black, because black does crack, put you some sunscreen on every single day. Another big part, which kind of goes back to diet, is make sure you're drinking water. Disposable face towels versus a washcloth, and I say that because a washcloth can pick up bacteria, but with the disposable face towels, you're just using them and throwing them away. Make sure you get you a good toner, and disposable face wipes is just more sanitary, more cost efficient, and you could throw them away and go about your day. Getting you some quality makeup and brushes. Morphe brushes are good. Real Techniques brushes are good. MAC brushes are good. Getting them when they're on sale. Making sure you're cleaning those brushes, because that can cause acne, and that just defeats the whole purpose of us doing good skincare, right? Lip gloss and liners, investing in good lip gloss and liners, because that's something you could just wear easily. It doesn't cost a lot. You can just go about your day. Eyebrow tinting, because I know everybody can't afford microblading, which can cost a lot, but if you can go to Ulta or a good henna studio and get them just threaded or waxed and get some henna tinting on them, that lasts at least a week or two for me, depending on who does it. And at Ulta, you even can ask them to do the ombre effects, and it looks really, really good. And then just buying a good eyebrow pencil to maintain that yourself at home. Eyelash extensions. I was wearing eyelash extensions for a while, and they are so addictive because they look so damn good, but they're so damn expensive. I was getting mine done for free, word to Morgan, but I am not going to probably get them done again until like February or March. So I've been doing like the Amazon extensions. So yes, know that the Amazon extensions, you get like 10 for like $8. You cannot beat that. So then going on to body care, investing in good body butters, good lotion, good hand lotions for your hands, exfoliating your skin, exfoliating down there, getting you some 5-blade razors versus 3 if you're going to shave under your arms. If you cannot afford laser or waxing, making sure you're getting a really good trimmer down there that works well with your skin. Fragrances, if you cannot afford high-end fragrances, going to Bath and Body Works, getting Arabic fragrances from Amazon, getting body oils at your local beauty supply, sheer deodorant so it's not messing up your clothes, because then your clothes can last longer. So speaking of clothes, fashion, getting you some really quality hangers to hang your clothes, investing in a steamer so your clothes always look really nice and well put together. Quality bodysuits are nice. You can always wear these with a pair of jeans or a pair of leggings. Speaking of leggings, get you some quality pairs of leggings, not just a rundown pair of leggings. If you're gonna wear leggings, wear some quality leggings. That's gonna make you look real put together. Stud earrings, dainty jewelry, things of that nature really just make you look upscale without having to break the bank. So these are just a few things. If I talked about anything, I'll try to tag it below or tag things that I like below. You can always visit my Amazon store or my Like to Know It store. A lot of the stuff that I use are tagged. I forgot to talk fashion. These indoor shades by Bottega. It's like they're not from Bottega, they're Bottega dupes. But yes, I talked a lot, so I didn't want this video to be long, but I feel like it's gonna be long. So leave anything below you do to look high maintenance, low maintenance, on a budget, luxury on a budget. It's about to be 2024. I want us all to eat when it comes to the looks. We all need to look good. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. It is your favorite pretty girl peeps.